Hey, I'm so glad you joined me today. I'm going to show you how I make my plantain potato chips in the air fryer. Let's do it. I've already sliced my plantain with a mandolin on the number 1. It has 1 and 2 and 3 setting, and I did it on 1, which is the thinnest setting. I just took the plantain and slid it gently across, and now I have these little pieces of chips. I'm going to spray them lightly with my olive oil cooking spray. A little more than lightly. Now I'm going to place them upside down in the air fryer pan. Put another light spray on the top. Close the air fryer. I've set it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. We'll flip the chips over at 6 minutes. Our chips have been cooking for 6 minutes, so let's take them out and flip them. It's been 12 minutes. Look at those plantain chips. I used a sweet plantain to make these, and I didn't add salt. You could probably add a light sprinkle of salt on them if you wanted, but I just went salt-free. So let's listen for that crunch. Got that crunch now. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Feel free to share my video and leave me comments down below. I'd love to connect with you. I'll see you on the next video, my friend. God bless. Bye.